Measure hot and cold spots fast and easy.
For our new infrared thermometer, no problem. Hello, I'm Annegret.
Hi, I'm Roland.
Today we introduce our new GIS12V-800-16 and our new GIS12V-700-14 with the temperature probes type K, especially for surface, air and immersion. 2-spot thermometer for measuring easy and fast.
The naming stands for GIS Professional Infrared Spot Thermometer. The 12 volt for 12 volt system. The 700 and 800 is the maximum temperature range in degrees Celsius. The one for first generation and the 4 and 6 is the feature set.
What makes the two new GIS so special? With the big graphical display, also with a lean and intuitive user interface, and of course we can set up the emissivity with a big material catalog and also the reflected temperature for more precise measurements.
One tool to measure the temperature. Easy, fast and uncomplicated. Thanks to the ergonomic shape, the GIS fits perfectly in your hands. And due to the compact design, it fits in any tool bag. With IP54, it is dust and splash water protected.
The rubber's enforced housing on the back side and on the front side means that drops from up to 2 meters are no problem for the tools. Additionally, robustness shows the flap cover in front of the sensor and also the recessed design for the buttons.
And both tools you can either use with our 12 volt professional batteries, or you can use our new adapter with 4 AA batteries, which are easily to exchange.
Both GIS are perfect entry-level models with a wide range of applications.
Especially indoors, for example, inspecting heating systems, or in the industry, checking electrical components, or in the car repair shops to measure the temperature of engine components.
And also with a quick startup, you can measure very fast repair jobs or inspections. Let's talk about the difference between the two tools. I have here the GIS12V-700-14. It's a very entry level. It comes with one laser dot. I can show it to you. It's measuring not only the dot, it's measuring the circular area around. For details, no worries, you have it directly at the D2S graphic on the tool. The measuring accuracy and the user interface, also the distance to spot with 20:1, is completely the same like the bigger brother, the GIS12V-800-16. Here you can.
Yes, and if you do the same measurement with this tool, I have 2 laser dots and I measure the area, the circular area between the 2 laser dots. Additionally, I have a work LED and I have here the interface for the temperature probe type K, and I use that one for surfaces. Put it in and start directly with measurement. And I have here 25.1 degree.
For what is it good? Especially the surface measurement for object with glossy surfaces, for example, also the both other temperature probes for air and immersion, so you can put the immersion version into liquids, for example, for more precise measurements.
We offer the GIS 12V-800-16 either in an L-box version, where you have the tool in the back, the charger, 12-volt battery and the temperature probe for surfaces, or in the cartoon version, where you have the tool, the bag and the battery adapter.
For the GIS12V-700-14, it looks a bit different, simple and compact. In a carton version, packed in the scope of delivery, are the battery adapter. You can see it here, ready to go. If you enjoy this video, give us a like.
Comment below and subscribe to our channel.
Outtakes.
Hi, I'm Annegret.
That's okay.
Thanks to the ergonomic shape, the GIS It is dust and water jet protected. And we have the version in carton, where you have the tool, the bag and the battery adapter.
Karton?
We offered
Entschuldigung.